Look at the grapes. Oh, everything looks healthy. This tree looks healthy. Big difference. Because I think everything looks great. I'm very surprised. When I started working on the trees, they looked very bad. But this looks healthy. This tree looks amazing. Now let me see what this other tree looks like. So this is the Dacha. This guy does not look as healthy. This cherry. That's the other cherry. The apples. The apple tree looks good. You still have apples. The outhouse. Looks like the fence is caved in. This guy needs some work. There's a lot of dead branches that need to be cut down. Yeah, that guy needs some work. This tree was here. I cut that down. He looks healthy. This guy looks healthy as shit. Wow. These apple trees look okay. They're small. Everything needs some work, to be honest. Look at the grapes. Grapes on the vine. Yeah, we can make some wine with this. Absolutely. But this cherry tree looks amazing. What about the peach tree? He looks good. New growth. Wow. Okay, so we got some work to do. Clean the yard. Take a basket. Take the rake. This is the old Dacha life. Water, as you know, water tends to freeze pipes in the wintertime. So we're going to be closing down this Dacha's water. Oh, the trees look good. This one is the problem tree. This one needs a lot of work. You need to cut down. Okay, so I'm gonna go down.
It is necessary to take away.
Okay, so we're gonna go down deep underground. Okay, so, all right. This one right here.
Yes, close.
Done.
Yes.
Yeah. Close the valve. It's closed. This one?
And push the last water.
Yeah.
No.
This one. This one. Okay. There was a little bit, but that's about it. To push, open this one.
Yeah, I open.
Open? Water's on. See, look. But if I turn it off, yeah, there's no more water.
Are there water?
Oh, the water's off.
There is no water.
There's no water. The water is off. Mission accomplished.
Then be careful. Be careful. It is a big hole. Yeah. Yeah. It's a big hole.
All the grapes have to come up, and then we're going to take away these plants with this. This is a shovel, and we're going to dig up these plants, and we're going to make a big bonfire. This is a lot of work, ladies and gentlemen, a lot of work. Well, what else are you going to do in this life? So, you start. Okay. Are you sure we should?
At first you may cut.
Yeah, we cut. So, at first we will cut, and then we will dig. So let's go find a snips. What about the beer? Who's gonna drink the beer? Who will drink this morning beer? Okay. Oh. Watch out for your heads, ladies and gentlemen. And now we will cut. So we're gonna start a fire. We're gonna start a big fire. Fire. Dacha living. Get the fire. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Look at that. Starting a fire. Seared the Dacha, mostly. No, a fresh. Nothing better than a fresh apple. But these grapes will make an amazing wine. So we'll harvest them. I'll make the wine. Want to try? It was very good. Delicious.
Make a photo.
Delicious. We are going to collect the grapes. Grapes of wrath. As you can see, this is how we cut the grapes. So let's collect all these grapes and we will win a prize called beautiful, beautiful homemade Ukrainian wine. Can't wait. This is going to be some fucking delicious wine. This is going to be some delicious wine, regardless if you use the F word or not.